In the vast and ever-expanding universe of human knowledge, there are moments when a single mind can illuminate a new path forward. These are the moments when discovery is not merely found, but forged. Katherine Yelick is one such visionary, a true pioneer in the world of computational science. She saw, long before many others, that the immense power of machines could be harnessed to unlock the deepest secrets of our natural world. Her work is a testament to the extraordinary partnership between human intellect and the silent, powerful logic of computers. She has taught us that these incredible machines are not just tools for calculation, but instruments of profound scientific exploration. Her journey is one of remarkable foresight and relentless innovation. It is a story of looking at the most complex problems facing humanity, understanding our own genetic code, predicting the future of our planet, and asking a simple yet revolutionary question. How can we build better tools to solve our next problem? This question led her down a path of creating new languages for computers, designing faster and more efficient ways for them to work together, reshaping the very fabric of scientific research. She has, in a sense, become the architect of a new kind of laboratory, one built not of glass and steel algorithms, data. Every great journey begins with a single step, a spark of curiosity that ignites a lifelong passion. For a young Katherine Yelick, that spark was found in the elegant and orderly world of mathematics and the burgeoning field of computing. From an early age, she was captivated by the sheer beauty of logic, the way complex problems could be broken down into simple, understandable steps. It was a language that made sense of the world, a universal grammar of patterns, structures. This innate fascination was not merely an academic interest, it was a way of seeing, a framework for understanding the intricate systems that surround us. It was here in these early years that the foundations of a remarkable career were quietly laid. As she grew, her interest blossomed. The world of computing, then in its relative infancy, presented a thrilling new frontier. Here was a place where the abstract principles of mathematics could be brought to life, where theoretical logic could be transformed into tangible action. She saw the potential for these machines to become powerful partners in discovery. While others may have seen them as mere calculators, she perceived them as something more profound, extensions of the human mind. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, has long been a crucible for brilliant minds, a place where the future is actively invented. It was to this vibrant intellectual ecosystem that Katherine Yelick was drawn for her doctoral studies. Here, surrounded by some of the world's leading thinkers in computer science, her burgeoning talents found fertile ground. The atmosphere was electric with innovation. Theoretical boundaries were constantly being challenged and new paradigms were being born. It was the perfect environment for a mind already attuned to the grand possibilities of computation, allowing her to dive deeper into the complex architectures of computing than ever before. It was also at MIT that a pivotal and enduring connection was made. She met James Demel, another brilliant young computer scientist. He shared her passion for numerical algorithms and high-performance computing. Their intellectual synergy was immediate and profound. They saw the world of computing through a similar lens. They recognized the key to unlocking the next generation of scientific discovery lay in making computers faster, making computers more efficient, and crucially, making them easier to program. This meeting of minds was not just a fortunate coincidence. It was the beginning of a lifelong collaboration. It was personal, it was professional, and their partnership became a powerful engine of innovation. Following her formative years at MIT, Katherine Yelick's journey led her to the West Coast, to the University of California, Berkeley. Here, her career began to follow a remarkable dual trajectory. She established herself as a distinguished professor, a leader in the academic realm, while taking on roles at Berkeley Lab. This unique positioning, one foot in fundamental university research and the other in the mission-driven national lab, gave her unparalleled breadth and influence. At UC Berkeley, she became a cornerstone of the Electrical Engineering and Computer Sciences department. Her research group was a hub of innovation, attracting the brightest students and postdoctoral researchers eager to work at the cutting edge of high-performance computing. She was not only a researcher, but also a leader, eventually serving as the Associate Dean for Research in the Division of Computing, Data Science and Society. In this capacity, she helped shape strategic direction, fostered interdisciplinary collaboration, and helped new computational ideas take flight. Simultaneously, her stardom was rising at Berkeley Lab. To unlock the full potential of a supercomputer with its thousands of interconnected processors, one needs a special kind of language. A standard computer program is like a solo performance, a single sequence of instructions. A parallel program, however, is a grand symphony, requiring a conductor to ensure every instrument plays its part. Katherine Yelick dedicated much of her career to composing these symphonies. She was a key architect of Partitioned Global Address Space, or PGAS. Languages making programming these complex machines vastly more manageable. Her contributions were made concrete in two landmark projects, Titanium and Unified Parallel C, or UPC. Titanium developed with colleagues at Berkeley a Java-based language for high-performance scientific computation. It provided a cleaner, more productive programming model, shielding scientists from managing memory and communication across thousands of processors. UPC, a collaborative effort, extended C with parallel capabilities and a gentler learning curve, allowing existing codes to scale to the world's largest machines. While Katherine Yelick made her name in the architecture of high-performance computing, her influence extends far beyond it. She has been at the forefront of one of the most significant shifts in modern science, the fusion of traditional simulation with the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence. She understood that these two powerful computational paradigms were not competitors but natural partners. Traditional simulations based on the laws of physics could generate vast amounts of high-fidelity data, which could then be used to train sophisticated AI models. These models, in turn, could learn to approximate the simulations, allowing for much faster exploration of scientific possibilities. This powerful synergy has been applied to some of the most profound scientific questions of our time. In genomics, for instance, her leadership has supported work that uses machine learning to sift through colossal datasets of DNA sequences, identifying the subtle patterns and genetic variants that are linked to diseases. This accelerates the painstaking process of discovery in medicine. In chemistry, AI models trained on quantum mechanical simulations can now predict the properties of new molecules with astonishing speed and accuracy. A career as impactful and transformative as Katherine Yelick's does not go unnoticed. Over the years, she has been showered with a remarkable array of awards and accolades, each one a testament to the profound influence of her work. These honors are not merely personal triumphs. They are a recognition by her peers. They form a constellation of relentless innovation and intellectual leadership, charting her journey from a promising young researcher to a leading figure. Among her most prestigious honors is her election to the National Academy of Engineering and to the American Academy of Arts and Sciences. Membership in these bodies is one of the highest professional distinctions in the United States. It signifies pioneering contributions and lasting societal impact. Her election to both underscores the dual nature of her achievements: engineering depth and broad intellectual leadership. Her contributions to high-performance computing have been continuously celebrated by her community. The ACMW Athena Lecturer Award recognized her foundational research in parallel programming languages. It also honored her mentorship and support for women in computing. She received the Ken Kennedy Award from ACM and the IEEE Computer Society. That award highlights programmability, productivity, mentorship, and service. It emphasizes making powerful computers truly usable by scientists. At the heart of Katherine Yelick's philosophy is a powerful and transformative idea that computing is not just a tool for science, but a new and fundamental mode of scientific inquiry. For centuries, science operated on two pillars: theory and experimentation. Katherine Yelick has been a leading proponent of the third pillar of science: simulation. This approach allows scientists to build entire worlds inside a computer, governed by the laws of physics, and to explore them in ways that would be impossible in a real laboratory. It allows us to witness the birth of a galaxy over billions of years, enables us to peer inside a living cell and watch the intricate dance of proteins. And we can simulate the impact of a new drug on the human heart, or the flow of air over an aircraft wing before a single physical prototype is ever built. This ability to explore what-if scenarios in a virtual world has dramatically accelerated the pace of innovation and discovery. Furthermore, she has championed the rise of the fourth pillar, a data-intensive approach to science powered by machine learning and AI. In this new paradigm, the computer is not just simulating a known model, it is helping to discover the model itself by finding patterns in vast oceans of data. True leadership is measured not only by one's own achievements, but by the success of those one inspires and guides. By this measure, Katherine Yelick is a leader of the highest order. Throughout her career at UC Berkeley and at Berkeley Lab, she has demonstrated an unwavering commitment to teaching and to mentorship. She understands that the future of scientific discovery rests in the hands of the next generation, and she has dedicated a remarkable amount of her time and energy to cultivating their talents. Her office door has always been open, her advice always thoughtful, and her encouragement a source of strength for countless students and for young researchers. Her mentorship style is one of empowerment. She does not provide easy answers, but rather asks insightful questions that guide students to find the answers for themselves. She fosters an environment of intellectual curiosity and of rigorous debate, where new ideas can be challenged, refined, and strengthened. As we stand here in 2025, looking towards an uncertain but exciting future, Katherine Yelick's vision is more relevant than ever. She continues to gaze at the unfolding horizon, contemplating the next great challenges and opportunities where computation can serve humanity. Her work is far from over. Indeed, she sees the current era as just the beginning of a profound transformation. She envisions a future where computing becomes deeper, more seamless, and more beneficial, helping us address our most pressing global problems with unprecedented speed and insight. Her perspective focuses on the convergence of technologies, exascale simulation, artificial intelligence, massive-scale experimental data, parts of a single integrated continuum of discovery. Imagine a fully automated self-driving laboratory. An AI designs a new molecule to capture carbon from the atmosphere. A supercomputer simulates its properties. A robotic system synthesizes and tests it, all within a continuous, rapid feedback loop. This is the future she is helping to build. Scientific discovery accelerated by orders of magnitude. This vision is anchored by purpose and societal responsibility. For Katherine Yelick, these tools are for the betterment of humankind. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all things numerical and mathematical. Thanks again, and until next time. Stay calculating, my friends.